Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable new Windows 11 features, add end task to every app on right-click in Windows 11. See end task button not showing. To enable this features, go to Settings. Then click System. Click for Developers. Then click End Task. Click Turn Off to On. See End Task button added successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.